Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Aliatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning December the 6th to the 12th in my memory planner using this kit from PaperCandyArt called Snowy. I paired it with some pink hollow foil from the Planner Pixie Co. This week I was 28 weeks pregnant, and according to my sidebar my baby was the size of an eggplant. Just quickly, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I brought that colour block in this week, which I was happy about because these colours were quite easy to colour block with, and I used the harder colour, the paler colour, on Thursday, so I didn't have to pull much stickers for it. Some of the stickers don't really match that day, but I did the best I could. I have a lot of extenders this day. Luckily I had enough underlays for that, and I love doing this double box seam in the sidebar if I can. I just kind of love it, and I use some corp overlays from the Planner Pixie Co also, and the December script is from Planner Hannah. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the day by day and hope I catch up. Start with Monday. I use this this paper and milk character to note being really sleepy. I then use this backpack character from Ultimate Love to note work. The work scripts are from the foil bundle. I use this wallet sticker from the kit to note that our mortgage offer was extended. I then use this cup of tea icon from the foil bundle to note it was a relaxed, chill day. I use this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe Gaming custom script from Mick Plans to note my husband was gaming. I use a planner sticker from the kit and a binge script from the kit also to note binge watching some Plan With Me's. Then I use a YouTube play button from Carly Plans and a YouTube script from Adorably Amy Designs to note the YouTube binge. I marked Being in My Feelings with a In My Feelings script from Kinty's Creations and Olive Studio. Olive Crying. Both of those shops are no longer open. Sorry. On to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I use the Stick with the Planco Girl that says Hello Class and a work script to note going to work. Then use this Stick with the Planco Girl in rain to note it was a really cold day. Then I marked having a long day with the Stick with the Planco Girl on the laptop. I think that was from like the teacher sheet. I marked Getting Nando's with this couple eating sticker from Papershire. I marked my husband gaming with this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe Gaming custom script from Mick Plans. This sticker lost its ink, I think, transport for my sticker book to here. This happens a lot with these Carly Plans stickers. I guess it is printed on a laser printer, so the same way your foiled or unfoiled scripts run out of ink, it's the same way that this runs out of ink, or the ink rubs out, should I say. Then I use this Mick Plans cuddling sticker and cuddling script to note me and my husband cuddling. I then use this planner sticker from the foil bundle to note another Plan With Me binge. And I use the YouTube play button from the kit to note, not from the kit, from Carly Plans to note YouTube binge, and the YouTube script is from Adorably Amy Designs. Until Wednesday, some of these boxes are already there because I accidentally put this colour on Monday and I realised Monday was the darker purple and Wednesday was the lighter purple, so I switched it, but I cut that clip out. Onto Wednesday, I use a pillow icon from Carly Plants to note being really sleepy. I then use a backpack sticker from Once More Love to note work again. I use a Olive Studio sticker to note Feeling Blah. The Feeling Blah is the cover script from Carly Plans. I then noted Cramps with a Joy of Planning character. I use a laptop sticker from the foil bundle to note that my husband had to go into work. Then I use an Olive Studio planner sticker to note memory planning. The memory plan script is a custom from Carly Plans. And then use a water bottle sticker from the kit to note that I had to fast from 10 PM and only drink water. Then I used a Make Plans duo with a Babe Gaming custom script and a Boy Gaming sticker from her shop. On the night, I use a glucose test sticker from PMD Stickers and an appointment script from the foil bundle to know I had to go and get my second diabetes test. Then use this blood work sticker from, I think it's from the Crafty Plan. If it's not, then I have no idea where it's from, to know I had to get some iron blood work also. And then use a phone icon from the foil bundle and a day of script from Rounded up plans to note I called in sick because I had been having cramps the whole week, and then I realised I was having some Braxton Hicks contractions, and I thought it would be best for me to stay home. I then used this side sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and used a sad AF script from SBC to note being sad. Oh, sorry, my baby's stretching. I then used a squid sticker from Stick with a Planko to note not feeling well, and I used I feel like shite sticker from Plan Hannah to note that. I then used I was going to call this a balloon, a pillow sticker from Carly Plant and a nap queen script from SVC to note taking a nap. I then used a planner sticker from Olive Studio to note a plan with me binge, and then a cramped scale from Joy Planning to note I realised I was having Braxton Hicks, but I just noted it at the bottom of the day. On to Friday, I used another backpack sticker from SBC from Once More with Love and a work script. Sorry, my mind is a blur. I then used a screaming banana sticker from PaperCandyArt to note I was really moody that day. I don't know why I went to work, I should have stayed home. Then used a paper milk girl sleeping to note I was really sleepy. I used a cramp sticker from Joy Planning to note more cramps, hence why I should have stayed at home. I used a bed sticker from the kit and a nap queen script from SBC to note taking a nap as soon as I got home. And then used a planner sticker from Olive Studio to note plan with me binge. And then I used a YouTube post on from Carly Plans and a YouTube script from Dory with AB Designs to note a YouTube binge every day. That's what I do, but I still mark it. And then I used a Joy Planning back cramps character to note I had more cramps in the night. It was a rough night for me. On to Saturday, I used a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a sleeping script from Mick Plans to note sleeping in. I then used a sleep mask sticker from the kit to note being really tired this day because I didn't sleep well the night before. I then used a lazy day sticker from PaperCandyArt to note having a lazy day in bed. I then used a pregnancy girl sticker from Teddy Plans Co and a plan script from SBC to note that I was writing up my labour plan, birth plan, sharing it with my husband. I then used a Olive Studio character to note a plan with me binge. I used a controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe Gaming custom for Mick Plans to note my husband gaming. Then use another Mick Plans duo with a couple sticker and a cuddle script from Mick Plans to note cuddles with my husband. And then I use another cramp sticker from Joy Planning to note more cramps. Are you surprised? I'm not. On to Sunday. So on Sunday I marked sleeping in with a bed sticker from Carly Plans and a sleep in script from Mick Plans. And then marked having a lazy day with a couch sticker from the kit. Then marked a plan with me binge with another Olive Studio character. Olive Studio stickers were really good for colour blocking because you've got lots of colours, so I'm sad to see that now that I'm actually colour blocking, our shop is no longer open. And then I used a Fox and Pit girl on a laptop to note a YouTube binge. The YouTube binge is a script from Mick Plans. I then marked my husband gaming the same way you have almost a week, Babe for Carly Plans controller and a Babe Gaming custom script from Mick Plans. I then marked cuddles with my husband with this Whimsical Cat Studio couple in bed and a cuddle script from Mick Plans. I marked more cramps with another Joy of Planning girl, and then I marked being super bored with another Joy of Planning girl like pregnant and laying to note being super bored. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And in a second I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle to see all this gorgeous pink hollow foil and what was left of this kit. So I hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.